Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage user roles across teams. Now, as your company grows, it's important to control who can access what. Now, let's walk through how to manage user roles across teams in Gusto. Step 1, go to the People tab. Now, log into your Gusto dashboard and then head to People's tab. This is where all employees and admins are listed. Step 2, select the user that you want to update. Click on the name of the employee or admin whose role you would like to change, and then move on to step 3, which is to click edit roles or permissions. Now, depending on your Gusto layout, you will either see an edit role button or a section labeled permissions. So just click that to access the role options. Step 4, choose the appropriate role. Now, Gusto offers several role types, from full admins to limited admins to employees. So go ahead and choose the appropriate role. And step 5 is to save changes. Now, once you've selected the right permissions, click save and the new role will apply immediately. Now, if you need more flexibility, Gusto allows for customized permissions on the limited admin roles. This way you can assign someone to manage just one department or specific tools. And that's it. Managing roles across team in Gusto helps to ensure everyone has access that they need and nothing that they don't. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.